Hi everyone, in this video I will going to solve this nice algebra equation. The equation we have x plus y is equals to 100, x times y is equals to 100. Here we need to find out the value of x and y. So let's get started the solution. In the first step I will going to name this equation as 1 and this as 2. Now here I will going to take equation 1. X plus y is equals to 100. Now here I will going to make subject of y. I will going to take this x to the right hand side. Y is equals to 100 minus x. Now I'm going to name this as equation 3. Next step, I will going to take equation 2. The equation 2 we have x times y is equals to 100. Now here I will going to plug in the y value, that is 100 minus x. X and 100 minus x is equals to 100. Now we're going to multiply here. 100x minus x square is equals to 100. Now we're going to rearrange it, and I will going to take this 100 to the left hand side. Minus x square plus 100x minus 100 is equals to 0. Now here I want to remove this negative sign, so I'm going to multiply both the sides by -1. So here this will turn to positive x square minus plus minus 100x and minus minus plus 100 is equals to 0. Now here we get the quadratic equation. Now we're going to find out the value of x here. The coefficient of a we have, that is 1, and b is -100 and c positive 100. X is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. X is equals to minus, and here we get -100 plus minus root -100 whole to the power of 2 minus 4 and 1 we have, and the c value we have, that is 100 over 2, and the a value we have 1. We're going to simplify it further. So it will turn to x is equals to minus minus plus 100 plus minus, and here we have the negative sign, and as I'm going to multiply -100 times 2 times, so it will turn to positive, and here we get 10,000 minus 400 times give us 400 over 2. So I'm going to simplify further. X is equals to 100 plus minus root 9600 over 2. Next step, I will going to split this 9600. I'm going to write here 100 plus minus root 100 times 10 times 6 over 2. I will going to apply here the radical property, that is n root of a times b can be written as n root of a times n root of b. So this I will going to write and separate root. X is equals to 100 plus minus root of 100 times root of 16 times root of 6 over 2. Here this will be equals to 100 plus minus, and root of 100 we have 10, and root of 16 we have 4 times root of 6 over 2. Now, in the next step, this will going to be multiply. So this will turn to x is equals to 100 plus minus 40 root of 6 over 2. Now this 2 is dividing with both the numerators. So I'm going to separate the fraction here. 100 over 2 plus minus 40 root of 6 over 2. Here this will going to be reduced by 50 here, and this will going to reduce to 20. So here we will get x is equals to 50 plus minus 20 root of 6. So here we get the two x values. One is positive and the other one we have that is negative. Now, by plugging this x value in equation 3, I will going to find out the value of y. The equation 3 we have y is equals to 100 minus x. Now I will going to plug in here the x value, the positive one first. Y is equals to 100 minus and 50 plus 20 root of 6. Y is equals to 100 minus 50 minus plus minus 20 root of 6. And here we get 50 minus 20 root of 6. So when will be the value of x is positive, so we'll get the negative value of y. Now I will going to plug in this negative value of x in the same equation. Y is equals to 100 minus x. Y is equals to 100. Now I'm going to plug in the negative value of x, that is 50 minus 20 root of 6. And y is equals to 100 minus 50 minus plus 20 root of 6. So here we get y is equals to 50 plus 20 root of 6. So from this, we'll get the xy value, that is 50 minus 20 root of 6, 50 plus 20 root of 6. Now, I'm going to check my answer. Now, we're going to take here the first equation, x plus y is equals to 100. Now here I'm going to plug in the x and y1 value. The x1 value we have, that is positive 1. And here we get the negative value of y is equals to 100. Here this and this get cancelled. So here we get 100 is equals to 100. So the left hand side equal to the right hand side. Means I will going to verify my x2 and y2 value here. So the x2 value we have first negative, and the y2 value we have, that is positive. Now here I will going to apply the algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square is equals to a minus b and a plus b. So this equation written in this form, I'm going to write in this form. To the power of 2 minus 20 root of 6 whole to the power of 2 is equals to 100. And here this 50 times 50 is equals to 2500 minus 20 to the power of 2 times root of 6 and whole to the power of 2 is equals to 100. And now we're going to cancelling out this with this. And here we'll get 2500 minus this 20 times 20 is equals to 400 times 6 is remaining is equals to 100. And here we get 2500 Siemens, and here 400 times 6 give us 2400 is equals to 100. So here we get 100 is equals to 100. So the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of x2, y2 is also absolutely correct. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do hit the like button and please support my channel by subscribing it.